Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro and OnePlus Pad 2. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next compare display features. OnePlus Pad 2 Pro comes with 13.2 inches IPS LCD display and the OnePlus Pad 2 comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both tablets are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. They offer 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.